O Keiki o ka Aina, mako na Keiki o iyo.
Yeah. Woohoo! So it's kind of first leaf down. You filming this one? And then you get a long stick when you come home. Oh yeah. I love that. Yeah, easy to carry. Okay, let's go. Yeah. When you see green, you can make the stick. When you see purple, I can. But I'm just going to pick one off. Like tips. The tips, like that.
Ah, that becomes your spinach right here.
Yeah, this is the spinach. So let's pick enough so we can make a dish.
Yeah.
Okay? So this here I'm gonna save because this we can plant. So we just break off like this. And we pick the leaves. Ohi kalau. Ohi. Make a nice meal. It's fun. It's ancestral. It's about building families. It's about holding families together, especially during these tough times. And then food is love, yeah? Food is love. So make it fun. And if you grow enough of this, you can grow this, and then you can sell it. You can sell it at the open market. And some families like this very much. So you got to know where to sell. I don't think you want to sell this in Kahala, but don't fool yourself. Once the Kahala people find out how wonderful this is over here, then there won't be enough potato leaf for us to buy. You put yours in your shirt over there. You put it in your shirt.
What is it? Yeah.
Wow. This is a Hawaiian basket. This is the Hawaiian basket. So he's putting it in his shirt over here.
The pake basket right here.
Yeah. I'm putting mine in my basket here.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Man.
There it is in there. So I know that I'm going to go swimming on the way home. So now I got to cover it up. I got to make sure it doesn't fall out. Yeah. Sustainability is defined in Hawaiian as simply a way of life. It is not a philosophy. It is simply a way of life. And that way of life is doing it. Aina. See, look at where he's carrying his. Look where I have mine.
It's the Aina way right there.
It's a good place. It's a good place to learn about family and what families need to do. I'm at Keiki o ka Aina in Kalihi Valley. So we're going to make a potato leaf dish, ku'aina. It doesn't cost much because we grew the potato and we harvested the potato. So we have potato leaf that's in our basket that we harvested. We picked up. It's all here. We're going to wash the leaves. We have opai that's soaking in the bowl, so it's a little soft and it won't break your false teeth. Opai, but it can also be chicken, or it can be pork, or it can be beef. Today it is opai.
Little bit of olive oil.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You can do very simple like this with just the olive oil, and of course you just get in the garlic in there. Today we're gonna make a little bit richer. We're gonna add some of the good stuff. You know, more butter, more better, more better, more butter. So we're gonna add some butter in there as well. Just gonna stir that up together. What I want to do next is I'm gonna try to get my squeeze out my opie. Stir up the opie a little bit. Come up a little bit.
So there it is, nice and hot. We have, now we're gonna wash off the leaves that we harvested from the garden. Rinse off the leaves. I have a place to put it so it can dry. Okay, here we go.
Oh yeah.
Get that pan up to high.
Oh yeah, here we go. Here.
It looks like a lot, but it's actually going to cook down really, really, really quickly. If you have a big pot, it'll be easy in a pot. Or if you have a wok, it'll be even easier.
Salt. A little pepper. Right. For some flavor, yeah? Of course, it's very consistent with the opie that's in there. Just a couple of dashes, not too heavy. A little bit shoyu.
Shoyu, sounds good.
And now I'm going to throw some tofu in there. It up.
Can you imagine serving this with rice?
Oh!
Or even with pork? Even with pork. It would go well.
Very healthy too, yeah? Oh.
That, so remember what I said? It takes about 3 weeks if you water it well. Potato leaf in a pot will produce enough leaf for you to make one dish of 3 dishes on the table for the family. And that, you do it for the family. You do it for the family. It's good. It's good. Watch Ben and I enjoy ourselves. Until the next time, we're not sure what we're going to be cooking.
Aloha!
Aloha. Don't forget, wear your mask.
Alright. Between the bites.